I didn't want to have to get the ring light. There's a problem with this. I just ate hot dogs like less than half an hour ago.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
But anyways, today we're going to be making microwaved cinnamon rolls in a mug. I don't even think I have all the ingredients. I also don't think I have replacements for some ingredients, which is why I think I qualify. Okay. So I think this is the one I'm doing. I don't think I'm gonna do that much, am I? Oh yeah, I don't have baking powder. But I don't think that will really do much anyway. Yeah, I think we got it. Okay. All-purpose flour. We'll do it in this mug in case it's like too big, because this mug is pretty big. I'm nervous. So what does she do first again? Okay, so it's 7 tablespoons of baking powder. Of all-purpose flour.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Here's all-purpose flour. I don't know what the difference between normal flour and all-purpose flour is. So here's tablespoon number 1, tablespoon number 2, tablespoon number 3, tablespoon number 4, tablespoon number 5, tablespoon number 6. Ah, shit. And tablespoon number 7, I guess. Ah, I got it. Is that? Am I getting abducted by aliens right now? Okay, well, we knew this was gonna happen. And then we're gonna skip the part where we put baking powder. And you know what? Let's put sugar because I want it to taste sweet. So we'll put, like how she put... The way she puts a tablespoon of sugar. Again, we are replacing ingredients. A teaspoon. I think it's a teaspoon. Okay, we're gonna do the 4 tablespoons of milk. Tablespoon number 1. Tablespoon number 3 and tablespoon number 4. And now we mix it. Oh, I see what we're getting at. Yeah, I'm going to put more milk. So this is what sis looks like.
Oh shit, what is that?
Way too dry for my liking, so I think the only... My scared face. I just want it to come together. That's what I want. How am I supposed to mold it? Oh my god. Okay, I think we got it now. I think. It won't fall like that, so we'll just... And then we spread it. And we shape it like a little... whatever this is. I kind of have a little bit of hope for this, not gonna lie. And I want to see it grow into the cinnamon roll that it's meant to be. Oh my god. Okay. And now I think we put the cinnamon powder. Yeah, okay. Well, she put brown sugar and then she put cinnamon powder. So first she took the brown sugar. I think she said 1 tablespoon. So we're going to put a tablespoon. And then we're going to spread it like the good people we are. Oh, that looks sugary.
It's really good, huh, Janelle?
Is that bussing, Janelle?
And now we put a little bit of cinnamon powder. I mean, that's the whole point. They're cinnamon rolls. So they need cinnamon powder. Okay, I'm gonna grab another one and roll it up.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Here comes the interesting part where we roll it up. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Wait a damn minute.
Come on. She's breaking. Oh my. She is breaking. I knew something was gonna go wrong. You're not good enough, good enough. She's a little bit depressed. Just a little bit. So apparently we microwave for 50 seconds. I don't have 50 seconds, I have a minute. I don't think 10 seconds will do that much of a change. So we're gonna put it in the microwave for 10 extra seconds. And if it does not look edible, then if it doesn't look like hers, then I'm gonna put it for another minute or another 30 seconds. Whichever one comes first. Put it for another minute or another 30. We turn the ring light. Oops. Sorry. The typical microwave angle. And now we put it in for 50 seconds. Chill the fuck out with the sound. Can't really see it from. Oh my god, it smells so much like cinnamon right now. It smells like oatmeal. I don't see a difference.
Oh shit, what is that?
I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I'm gonna put another 30 seconds in case I'm eating some raw right now.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
Okay, looks exactly the same. Oops, cinnamon melted. Now, obviously, there's gotta be the one part where I don't have the ingredient. She teaches us how to make the drippy thing, the thing that makes it good. So I was like, let me just skip that step and get sweetened condensed milk because it tastes probably just as sweet.
Yeah, boy.
It kind of works out perfectly in my favor. So basically, this is the condensed milk. It literally is just a stick. It looks just as freaking... It literally looks exactly the same as to cinnamon powder. So we're just gonna grab like a tablespoon of this, pour it on top of the cinnamon roll. So let's grab a little tablespoon of... Wow, that's a lot more than a tablespoon, isn't it? Okay. Let me. Oh my god, wait. I kind of need to capture this. I'm holding it with my left hand, but this looks beautiful.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
I've never been prouder of a microwave creation. I'm overwhelmed by the heat in this room. Oh my god. Okay, so it's actually a little bit. There's a downfall to everything, so we're just gonna. If it didn't have condensed milk and cinnamon powder, it would taste like absolute shit. She tastes like dry bread.
Go away.
Hey, bitch, what's up, bitch? Suck my dick, bitch.
You put milk in it? No. Oh no, I did. What the fuck does that mean? What the fuck does that mean?